Do you toss your baton straight up on big tricks? Or how do you place it wherever you want it to go? I'll tell you the secrets as soon as this car goes by.
Oh, they turned. Tell us the secrets.
That's my favorite honking car, that when I was doing the day in the life with the doubles. They like those. All right, here's the secrets. The longer you hold on to your baton in your thumb release, the further to the right it will go. If I grasp my baton and hold on to it long, that's where it goes. I didn't even have to do anything to throw it in that direction. I just held on to it. The sooner you let go of it out of your thumb flip, the sooner you let go, the more to the left it will go. This is a great secret that I learned when I was very young. And the way to get it to go straight up...
That does look great.
Yeah, thank you. There's no magic potion to it. It takes a lot of practice. But you stick your thumb up your nose. And I have to practice because I haven't been practicing. You keep your arm close to your body and you stick your thumb up your nose and it will direct your baton. If you're doing a trick that goes to the left of any kind of movement, you stick your thumb up your nose as you spin into like that double reverse illusion or something. You always want it placed to your left on a double reverse. And that's the trick to it. Hold on to it longer to go to the right, hold on to it less to go to the left, stick it up your nose to go straight up, and drill it, drill it, drill it, drill it. Good luck.